How to send multiple emails at once in Gmail. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser, and then on the search bar just search for gmail.com. After that, you will be redirected right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen, and then you will see this compose button. So all you have to do is to click on that, and then this will pop up. So this is where we're going to add our message. Now, to send it to multiple accounts, the next thing that we need to do right here is to click on this one, which is the BCC. So once you click that, this will pop up. So in this part, what we're going to do is to just add the email that we want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to do this, and then another one. Let's say, for example, this one. And then you can add, of course, all of the email that you want to use. And then let's say, for example, that you have already added all of the email that you want to use. Now, all you have to do is to, of course, put the subject. And then, of course, just put whatever you want to send to them. So let's say, for example, that this is the email that we want to send. So what we're going to do next is to just click the send button. Once you click the send button, you will see it right here. So just click on view message. So you will now be able to see it right here. So this is what it looks like. So if I switch my account right here, and let's go into the other Gmail, and then go here on the email, you will now be able to see it right here. So as you can see, this is it. And then if we look right here, we will now be able to see where it came from and then where they sent it to. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to send multiple emails at once in Gmail.